Where did we go wrong? We should have covered this at the very beginning. It's time to dive into the who, what, when, where, why, and how of the word condiment. You might be wondering if that sauce, pepper, or popular topping is considered a condiment. Let's clear that all up on this episode of Cut the Mustard. The word condiment goes as far back as its Latin roots. It comes from condimentum, which means spice, seasoning, and sauce. In short, it's added to foods to elevate the dish's flavor. The definition of condiment isn't set in stone. It's a bit of a chameleon, really. Some folks think it includes herbs, spices, salt, and pepper, and use it like seasoning. Meanwhile, others are more picky and say that it's only those fancy prepared sauces, like mustard, ketchup, or hot sauce, that count as true condiments. So, which one is it? We'll leave that up to you. Here's one way to keep it straight. Think of a condiment like the wingman of your meal. It's there as backup to add some extra flavor, enhance what's already there, or just make things a little more interesting. Some condiments like ketchup or mustard get added right before you dig in, while others like honey or Worcestershire are part of the cooking process. And then there are the table condiments, those bad boys that sit on the sidelines and let you customize your meal to your heart's content. Whether you're a ketchup fanatic or a barbecue sauce aficionado, there's a condiment out there for everyone. Even those who love to dunk their fries in mayo. You know who you are. And hey, let's not forget those single-serving packets, because sometimes you just need to take your condiments on the go. And rest assured that red pepper flakes and Parmesan cheese are condiments too. They amp up a slice of pizza. And for those that are looking for the perfect lactose-free Parmesan cheese condiment, try nutritional yeast. It's got all the right funk for your gut. Well, there you have it, folks, the long overdue breakdown of what a condiment is. Take this coveted knowledge out there with you in the world and sprinkle and drizzle with confidence. Till next time, spice it up, my friends.